Lady Trends Lovies. I am your girl Lady, bringing you your hottest news. So if you're new in this channel, you know what to do. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well. So guys, Uzoto Bantu and the boyfriend Vusi Buthelezi had broke up, and Uzoto is actually focusing on herself, doing things like eat gym since kuna lockdown. Uyazijimela endlini yakhe since enaveli equipment yokujima, and she also spends time with her pet dog uPrince. She confirmed that Vusi has moved out of their house in Malvan and she is making peace with him moving out. She said, I have learned that you must allow people live. You accept things as they come and as they are, and allow people be themselves. Actually, Uzoto Abantu, she's dealing with this breakup one step at a time, and she's actually moving her mind away from it, as she actually confirmed to iDrama ukuthi no, yes, uVusi has moved out, kodwa ke it's fine, it's okay, I'm just going to focus on the things that makes me happy. Ngizozijimela, ngiphekele endlini, ngidlalele nenja yami uPrince. So guys, that's it for now. I'm out till next time. Love you.